So what we have here is a nice floor standing unit. We have it here connected to a indirect water heater. Then we have it separated coming over to a buffer tank. As you see, both pumps pump back to the boiler. Your outlets go to the indirect. This outlet comes over here, goes to your buffer tank. Pump comes back to the boiler. Always going to the heat exchanger to the boiler. In this side, the separation of your hot water going out to your system. This is all the 2-3 zones of the system. And here's your 3 zones, these are your 3 returns. Okay, so this is the typical installation, high volume, lots of things, low things. This is probably a radiant system, that's the reason for the buffer tank. Radiant systems have very low water content in them. If that was going to a regular radiator with floor radiators, so the buffer tank is not necessary. Then you got your new Noble floor mounted. This is the Noble that actually sits on the floor, opposed to the Noble that hangs on the wall. And that's the Knight, which is a wall mounted Knight. This Noble, you can see on these, all of these have the same vent connections. These vent connections can accept PVC, stainless steel, and polypropylene. No additional adapters, they all fit in here. Pretty unique.